So one of the greatest things that we have learned about additive manufacturing, or better known as 3D printing, is you don't have the same constraints that you do with traditional tooling. In 3D printing, it's basically unbound, right? So whatever you can imagine, you can actually build. So from that perspective, your thinking is really opened up and it's unrestricted. So we noticed on the production line, one of the projects that we had was assembling these light bars, and on those light bars, there's a little bracket. And we noticed that the line workers, they have to put 2 nuts into a small plastic fixture, but they're a press fit, and it's a pretty tight press fit. So after about 100 of those, their thumbs started to indent and hurt. So what we did is we 3D printed a very small jig where you could put 4 nuts on each side, and then they could just press the fixture on top of that, and they are doing tens of thousands of those, so you can imagine how effective that becomes. So it speeds up their work, reduces any sort of fatigue or pain that they may be experiencing while they push those in, and you get better results. You can cut the production time by 1/3 by using these jigs. So, you just figure the math on that, and it's pretty significant savings. Most production people are so busy in their normal day-to-day operations and keeping track of their current metrics. One of the things they fail to do is allocate time specifically to go look for new opportunities. When we have a little bit of downtime, maybe we're going to lunch, maybe we're going to a break, we just walk by the production line and we see what they're doing, right? And we see if they're struggling, and we catch little things. It's amazing what you'll find. That just triggers a thought and say, well, I wonder what we could do. Is there something else that we might think about that would improve that process and make that person's job easier? We do that every day.